goes underwater. From there, when season comes, particularly during rainy season, and you understand the rainy season, the sea, mouth of the sea, how furious it is. They take the seedlings on the boat and they wait for the low tide. And when the land surface out, they immediately go. They have only 2 to 3 hours time. They go, plant the seedlings, and then jump on the boat again. So in this way, they do this kind of plantations. This is not a very good picture of the plantations anyway, but there are a lot of achievements from Bangladesh. This coastal afforestation, you can see the districts where it is, the coastal districts, it is covered. Now almost more than 200,000 hectares of plantations done from 1965 to 2015. It was actually at that time from 60s up to 80s. Little bit of effort could have been delivered at that time. Later it got momentum and boost up after the World Bank financed projects on the mangrove forest from 1985. And from then on, the plantations started and going on along the whole coastal belt. You can see there, it has been covered with the mangrove afforestation, mostly with the Keura, Sonaracea petala, and also with the Avicennia, vine, and other species too. So there are the hill coastals is on not only the mangrove forests, along with that there are other species with the non-mangrove also, where there is less salinity and less sand maybe. So non-mangrove forests also grown, and also steep plantations along the embankments. So why this mangrove forest? You know by this time already, it's coastal protection, carbon sequestration definitely. Lot of livelihoods has already been created there. And diversity, definitely it's a home for different kinds of life forms. Nursery for marine ecosystem, and also for larvae for shrimp and other marine fisheries, and other regulatory service, and definitely ecosystem services. Now, mangrove for the future. You have already heard the story behind it. In 2004 tsunami, lot of devastation has already been happened in this initiative with the 5 countries. Now it has been expanded to 11 countries. Bangladesh got membership in 2012. And from then on, different kinds of examples, initiatives has already been taken there. So you heard that it's a partner-led initiative. So Mangrove for the Future is a platform. It's not a project, not a program. It's a platform that has been now with 11 members, with two outreach countries now. They have expressed their interest to be member in future. One is Malaysia, another is China. They also shown their interest and became the outreach member now. So the main objectives at that time, it was decided, it's a knowledge, it's an empowerment for the people to increase, to augment their resiliency and also governance in integrated coastal management. It has been chaired by Iucn and UNDP, and where there is no Iucn in the countries, UNDP is the chair. Where there is Iucn is the chair. So preliminarily it was funded by Danida, NORAD, SIDA, and many others you can see on the bottom. In Bangladesh, there is another unique system with the Mangrove for the Future platform. You know, we became member in 2012. And after that, they have regional steering committee meeting in different countries, and Bangladesh became member in the 9th RSC meeting in Pakistan. We have a unique system here. By this time you have seen one NCB. It's a national coordination body. It is formed at the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Secretary, Ministry of Environment and Forest is the chair of that body. And the uniqueness of this thing is that all kinds of programs, activities, and regional issues discussed in this NCB. And I will tell you regarding another activities. There's the small grant projects taken from these initiatives. It was mandatory at that time to be a member of the MFF platform. You need to provide 3 important things. One is the country should have a support from any one of the donors. So we got support from the DENIDA at that time. Then we should have a prospective plan, and also we should form the NCB. So all kinds of, and through that DENIDA funding, we got not very big, but very important small projects, which we started from the southern part of the country, southern western part of, eastern part of the country. And from there, we have started little programs. Those are overseen, supervised by the NCB. NCB 35 members, government agencies 13, civil society 9, academia 9, private sector 3, and electronic media 1. And this NCB also formed a working group, drawing people from the NCB itself and also from outside to oversee the program